If you've been on the internet at all, you've probably seen Temu. It's this shopping app that popped out of nowhere and suddenly it's everywhere. It's on TikTok, YouTube, and even during the Super Bowl. Their tagline is shop like a billionaire, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. And listen, I love a good deal, but Temu is on a whole other level. Like, how is this stuff so cheap? Is there like a secret underground lab making $1 AirPods? I need answers right now. Look at this sunset LED light and it's $1. I am going to get it. Oh my God, guys, I just found a smartwatch for $1. Is this actually going to tell me the time? Let's keep scrolling to see what else they have for $1. Mini USB LED night lights. This is cute. Oh my God, they have so much stuff. It's crazy. Clip-on wireless earbuds for $1. Oh my God, I want this. This is a selfie light. No way they have a solar panel charger. All right, guys, I just ordered 20 something items. They're supposed to be here in a week, so I'll see you then. All right, so the packages have arrived. I'm actually very excited to see what I got because I totally forgot. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is something that I can see in the packaging. It's the Apple Pencil dupe. It kind of feels actually very nice. I'm not sure what this part is. It's like kind of unscrewing. What? Why did I get this inside of the Apple Pencil? I don't care about all of this stuff. I'm gonna put it back in and then treat it as an Apple Pencil and see if it actually works because that's how it was advertised. Here's my iPad and of course it doesn't work. Next. All right, so let's hope that the next gadget is a little better. I'm going to open up this little white mailer because I wanna be surprised at what it is. Wait, I remember ordering this. It's my letter. And it's not just a letter, it's actually supposed to be a light. Oh, but this thing actually needs AAA battery. So let me try to see if I have some. I think this is it. Oh, wait. I'm not sure if you can see if it's working for you. I'm gonna show this on this camera so you can see it actually works and it's super cute. Okay guys, this is our first $1 item that actually worked and it looks super cute. I'm actually very impressed. So the next thing I have, I can see it, it's a mood ring and it's supposed to change as soon as you put it on to another color, whatever color your mood is in. Oh, it already changed. I'm just holding it and it's changed to blue. Wait, why is it like, now it's like dark green. Okay, I pulled up what it means if it's green. So apparently, if your ring is green, it means you have mixed emotions. I'm not sure how true this is. Let me try it on my other hand. Oh, I'm getting blue. It's completely blue right now. Do you see that? Guys, I think this is fake. Do you see this? But anyway, blue means normal. Let me know in the comments if you think that mood rings are actually accurate because I would love to know your thoughts. All right, I promise I did order a lot of tech, but the next thing that I see over here is technically not tech, but it's for your tech product. So I have these AirPod holders right here. So the concept behind this is basically putting it behind your neck, putting your AirPods in, and it prevents your AirPods from like completely falling. If they fall off your ear, they just like fall on your shoulders instead of actually falling down on the ground. So I have my AirPods right here. Let's test out how they fit inside of this thing first. All right, I have both of my AirPods attached. All right, so let's imagine I'm walking around and one of my AirPods drops down and boom, it actually catches it and it doesn't fall completely down. Guys, I think this actually works. All right, we have another product over here. I'm not sure what it is. We've got AirPods over here. For $1 so far, the packaging feels pretty heavy, I would say. Let's turn them on, connect them to my phone and see how they work. So I think I connected them. I cannot hear anything from this ear. It's either broken or it's just not charged. Wait. Wait, no way. I can only hear from one of the headphones, not both, but the headphone quality sounds really good. All right, this is very stupid. I'm not sure why I got this, but it's just a simple back scratcher. For some reason, I thought that this would be a bigger back scratcher, but it's like very tiny. It's the size of my head, but hey, that would actually work really good. I think this is $1 spent really, really good. All right, so next up I think, have a smartwatch. So it's looking like this. I'm not a fan of the packaging. The packaging is very cheap. No way, this is not the right time. It just has the same graphics over and over and over. It tells you literally that your heartbeat is 0.86 every time. It's false. It's not true. It's already preset on the screen. Yeah, this is trash. This is garbage. Doesn't work. Doesn't even tell you the time because you can't change the time. So no, it doesn't work. All right, so the next thing that I see here is this LED sunset light. Okay, so here's the light, guys. All we have to do is just press the button in the back to change the colors, and it's actually pretty bright. I'm not sure if you can see. All right, as you can see, I'm shining at the wall. It looks very actually cool. $1, guys, $1. I'm gonna take this back to my room, so I'm very happy with this $1 purchase. All right, so the next thing I got is tips for my Apple Pencil. All right, so this is how they look. They're very tiny. You get 2 of them. I hope it works. So it does still feel like very cheap plastic. Oh, it went on. So moment of truth. Let's see. Okay. If you like lightly press on the screen, you still get this like light strokes. And then if you press heavy, you get like very heavy strokes. Yeah, so these tips for your Apple Pencil do work and they work great. I would recommend actually. It's pretty cool. All right, so I'm guessing I got a lot of like light LED things because I'm seeing another like light bulb type of thing here. I'm pretty sure this was less than $1. All right, so I'm gonna plug this in to see if it works. Ooh. And it's bright actually. Wow. Okay, so yes, it works, but I don't think it's going to last that long because of how poorly it was made. Okay, so we got another white mailer over here. My brother is gonna freak out. It doesn't look anything like the picture. But I thought this would be like a solar battery box, not like this like paper thin thing. I'm filming from a phone right now just to show you if this actually works. I brought it outside. It's very sunny today. You can see I connected my phone and this has been out already for like 5 minutes and I don't think it's going to start charging my phone. This is a very cool concept, but I wish that it worked at least a little bit. All right, guys, I actually didn't give up just from that. I brought out an old iPhone 7 to see if it would work with this one. Look at this. I just put it on again and it's charging, but then it goes away right that second again. Maybe this just has to be in the sun for a little longer. Like, see, it just says charged again and it goes away. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about it because the idea is there, but the execution is, I don't know, not good. All right, so we have another white mailer. I'm guessing it's another smartwatch. Yes, it is. It's another cheap smartwatch. Yeah, this is not looking good. It's kind of the same thing as the last watch, except it has 2 buttons here. It works, but you can barely see it. So you can definitely set up time here. It's better than the last one. It doesn't tell you your heartbeat. It looks weird on your wrists. Moral of the story, don't buy $1 smartwatches because they're trash. I know you heard a guitar, that comes later. All right, so the next thing that we have is a little bit more promising. It's for kids though, and I don't think it's tech, but maybe it is. What it is that you can use this pencil and draw different things on it. Then it also has this button that erases the whole board and you can start over. I think it's a pretty cool concept, especially for kids that like to draw. Guys, I think this is a great find because it's only $1 and it does what it's supposed to do. Okay, so the next thing that we have is this one earpiece headphone. Okay, it fits really weird. I don't like how it fits. Okay, yep, it fits so much better on this ear. So let's try to see if it actually works. I'm gonna put some music. No, it's a big no for me. It's very mushed. The bass sounds very bad. Don't waste your time. I wonder what this is. I'm not sure if this is one of the mystery boxes. I hope not. Oh. No way. This is basically a private screen for your phone. Yeah, let's try this. We've got the number 1 and number 2 wipes to clean out our screen. For $1, I'm actually surprised that they even gave us the wipes too. That's actually pretty cool. I have to align it perfectly. This is the hardest part. What a perfect job. So now the moment of truth to see if it actually works. You can see my screen. And now as I'm tilting it, you can't see it. This is actually perfect. All right, so we have this little mailer next. No way. They scammed me. This was not supposed to be this small. But hey, let's see if it actually works. Yeah, it does not work. This video is just getting me a little upset. Did I order this? Oh, Okay, I know what it is. It's a mini camera. I just threw out the manual, but I think we will need this. It has an app that I have to install, so let me install this app. This is too much work for a $1 item. Okay, so this is gonna be very sad because I tried to download the app. I downloaded the app. It has a lot of ads in it, and then I plugged in the camera, try to connect the device to the app, and it just seems to not be working. So I'm guessing this $1 camera just doesn't work. All right, we have a bigger box over here. I'm very excited to see what it is. Okay, these headphones come in a very cheap like plastic. So let me take them out. They actually don't feel that bad. Obviously for $1, they do feel cheap. So let's see if they actually work. Okay, they feel very nice on my head and I can barely hear myself talk in my head. So this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so let me just pair this with my phone and then give it a go. We're connected. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, they're not bad, surprisingly. But while it works with songs that don't have beats, with songs that do have a lot of beats, these sound terrible. You know, for kids maybe, this would be great listening to like YouTube videos. All right, we have like 4 more items left. This is our $1 mystery box. So basically you get this mystery box for $1 and Temu puts whatever they want to put in there and send it to you. And it looks like we got this flame aromatherapy machine. It's supposed to look like this, so let's see. Did we get like a cord for it? Oh, okay, we did get a cord for it, okay. All right, so I'm gonna use my phone camera for this. Why are you not working? I guess after all, I have to read the manual because I don't think I'm doing anything right. This is not English. I think I got it. I need to fill it out with water. All right, I'm back and I just filled it out with some water. All right, I think it does work and it works pretty well with water. Wait, I think this one is so much cooler. I actually really like this product, I'm not gonna lie. It's really cool. Okay, so the next one that we got is also a pretty heavy box and I hope it's what I think it is. It's a digital camera. I'm not going to lie to you, this was not $1. It was more like $5. But hear me out, because digital camera for $5? That's very cheap. Okay. Oh my God, they also included like a vlogging stick for it too. I'm excited to see how the pictures look. That's for sure. Let's hope it turns, oh, it says hello. It does very weird sounds, but it even has games, music, MP3. Where do I put my SD card? All right, so let me take a picture on it. I don't think it's going to be any good, but no way. It actually has a selfie camera too. All right, let's see how I can transfer these pictures. I'm not sure if I can take pictures and then send them because now it says no files. This is a $5 garbage. I'm very excited about this one because I've seen it somewhere else before. So what this is basically, it reflects your phone screen or your iPad screen through this like one little glass, through this glass. It has these different attachments that I'll have to figure out now. Okay, so I was able to put this together. Now all I have to do is put this screen. All right, so I have a piece of paper. I have a little snowman drawing. It's pretty cool. Let me try to see if I can draw it because it definitely works because I definitely see it being reflected. Let's reveal my drawing versus my phone. You know what? This actually works. I am very happy about this purchase. Last night as I was editing this video, I realized there were 2 products that I actually did not receive. But actually, it's not that I didn't receive them, it's that I didn't check my mailing box. And that's when I found these 2, so we're gonna open them up to complete this video. I'm going to start with this one first. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Oh, yep. Okay, so it's this guitar tuner. This basically helps you tune your guitar strings. All right, so we just turned it on and it works pretty well. And of course I had to bring my guitar over here that I haven't touched in like years. But I'm pretty sure you can tell by the strings that I haven't touched it. They are very rusty. All right, I'm not sure how it's going to work. My guitar hasn't been tuned, as you can tell, in years. So let's try this out. This sounds wrong, but it says it's right, so I'm gonna keep going. Oh, it says it's very flat. Okay. That's what it says is right. Okay, so I got all the green circles. Let me actually hear it once. It does not sound right. If you guys know how all the strings together sound without pressing on any of the strings, it does not sound like that. Yeah, this is garbage. All right, last but not least, I have this one last mailer. I think it's a phone. Yep, it is. Ta-da! So it looks like the iPhone 5S, but it's not. It's like a toy phone. And I'm guessing it obviously isn't an iPhone or an iPhone dupe, but it has like different games for kids. And I'm assuming it's like a digital screen. So we're gonna test it out. Oh no, guys. I think we got scammed. Oh no. What is this? I think I got scammed. What the heck? Am I calling somebody? No, I'm not. Because it's not even a screen. This is a fake screen and it has different buttons that you can press on and it makes like different sounds. So yeah, don't fall for $1 tech items.